Everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see an Instagram story highlights on Android for beginners. So I'm going to show you the whole layout or tutorial for your Instagram highlights. So let's head over to our Instagram application first. Once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner and then tap on the three lines on the top right. And in here, just go to archive, go to stories archive. And as you can see, there's story archive in here. So let's make it a archive or let's make it a highlight. So here you can see there is a highlight option on the lower right corner. Tap on it. And here you will see the option of new highlight. Name your highlight. I'm going to name it birthday. Tap on add. And as you can see, my new highlight is added. If I just refresh my profile, a new highlight is added. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.